County, with 10 miles north of 5 extreme caution when outdoors.
We are under a severe thunderstorm warning right now.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Smith County, Mississippi. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lauderdale County and east central Mississippi, central Newton County and east central Mississippi. Until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing heavy hail and damage resulting in serious injury or property damage. Exercise extreme caution when outdoors during such strong winds and be especially aware of voltage decrease. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Denver and Northern Lauderdale counties. At 2:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Collinsville, or 10 miles west of Meridian Station, moving east at 27 miles per hour. At 3:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing heavy-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Silverina, or 11 miles north of Stringer, moving east at 9 miles per hour. High winds can bring down trees and large weather.
That is going to have a lot more rain in it.
Storm warning remains in effect until 3:45.
There we go, we're getting more rain. Because usually if we don't get enough rain, all it's really doing is just cooling us off, which will prevent us from another thunderstorm. Will prevent another thunderstorm from forming later today, but if we can get enough heavy rain, this will do good until our next thunderstorm.
National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Smith County and central Mississippi, western Jasper County and east central Mississippi. This includes the city of Stringer until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing heavy-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Matter of fact, it's hailing right now. It is. The hailstone right there. Check that out. Still hailing right now, you can see it. There it is again. Another one. Looks like, whoa. These guys
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lauderdale County and east central Mississippi, central Newton County and east central Mississippi.